Try these strategies if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves businesses rewarding affiliates for each customer brought to the business's site through the affiliate's efforts. Affiliate marketers' methods for attracting customers for businesses can range from simple advertising to offering rewards to customers. If you wish to join an affiliate marketing program, then be sure to read the tips found in this video. Certain affiliate marketing programs pay off when website visitors go to an advertiser's site and take action. Typically registering or providing contact information, these pay-for-sign-up programs pay better than pay-per-click setups, although of course the webmaster will not see as many payments as he or she would with pay-per-click. Nevertheless, the higher pay makes these programs attractive to many website owners. Creating ebooks or viral reports is a great way to build up a strong base as an affiliate marketer. The more information you're willing to offer on any product or service, the more legitimate you will appear in the eyes of a potential customer. As long as you're willing to invest the time here, you can get great results. Make sure that you like and trust the product you are asking your audience to click on. If you are heavily promoting items that are not good or spamming your page with every type of program imaginable, people will stop coming. It's your repeat visitors that will make or break you. Don't lose their trust in you. Pre-sell the offers that you want your readers to buy. Just adding a link to a product is not going to make you much money. Explain why you love the product and why you are someone they should listen to. Include the benefits that you have received from the products. As stated in the video above, affiliate marketing is done by affiliate companies to help businesses draw in more customers to buy products and/or services. Using the tips that are featured in the above video, you can join an affiliate program that can help your business. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.